Hi, my name's Cactus. Welcome, fellow adventurers. And we are at Volcano Mini-golf. And we have some giant dinosaur behind me. And we also have, let's see, giant long neck dinosaur. And we have a woolly mammoth. So let's go try to find some holes. Oh, I found my way across Urbex, the Urban Explorer Superhighway right here. I made it. I made it to hole number 1 too, guys. There's hole number 1. Apparently they covered the hole with some bricks. Yeah, be real careful. And we got the volcano up here, guys. This is hole number 2. It is highly overgrown. It's really overgrown right there. And we got some stairs. Oh, look, we got a moat area. We got some stairs to hole number 3. This is hole number 3. There's the top of the volcano. This must be hole 4. Gonna try to take it nice and easy around here. Hey, we got a chilling stool over here. A little stool just hanging out. Oh, we got another dinosaur over here. He's looking that way. We got all these holes right here. Oh, cool, we can go through the, I'll show you that here in a second. Yeah, there's another dinosaur this way. And we got this hole right here where you can go into the volcano. Oh, this is kind of cool. We got some, are these fake roaches? They are! They're fake roaches. They're plastic roaches, guys. Plastic roaches everywhere. So we're gonna go through here. I don't know. We got hole number 8. We're gonna continue down. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Oh, we got the other hole on this side. Oh, there's a little downstairs to go underneath. That's actually kind of cool. But I wanna go into the cave. Let's go into the cave. That's actually kind of cool. Where's that racket? It's over there. I know. I want the racket. Well, oh, this one has volcanoes. Oh, it has a spider web. Oh, that's kind of cool. And real spider webs or fake spider webs. There's some propane in there. Is that the, Oh, cool! This is inside. There's the top of the volcano. Some lights, some fire. They had some propane tanks to shoot the fire out. Alright, we're gonna go this way, I guess. We're gonna go exploring some more. Hey, there's another cave system over here.
There's a hallway here. Right?
Yeah.
I'm looking for...
I know, it's this way. Lana!
There's one more.
Oh, wow. This is kind of cool.
Fucking stab somebody if they're in here.
Well, don't stab me.
Not you.
Okay. Oh, wow, this is kind of cool. You can see outside the thing. Oh, it looks like a little jail cell. This is the front.
Yeah, there he is. Found you.
Oh, we got a little bridge over here. That's cool. Oh yeah, this is underneath. This is kind of where I wanted to go. I think we lost our partner. I think we lost our exploring. Oh, we got a velociraptor right here. That's a good. And we got this rope bridge that I kind of don't want to cross, but I want to cross.
Hey.
I'm not gonna go that way though.
Where's she at?
I don't know. She got lost.
Upstairs.
Getting lost again.
Well, we do move faster.
Oh well, that's true. It's dark in here, guys. I guess this used to be like they set it up for Halloween.
It's a volcano lava.
Yeah, volcano lava tunnel.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
There you are.
There's a stairway. Oh. Yeah, there's a walkway over there too. Got another dinosaur. Whoa! Yeah, there's another cave. We got the hole grown. The hole has stuff. And look at the parking lot of the hotel, guys. The hotel parking lot is empty. I just wanted to show you guys right there. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6 cars in this hotel parking lot. I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. So we're gonna continue. Oh, I love minigolf.com. Well, that's kind of cool. Hey, Nate! Nate! I'm losing my people. I'm losing them. But we got a dinosaur right here. He's got a googly eye. Got a dinosaur. Hey! Ha ha! Woohoo! Hey, where the hell are you? Oh, there you are. Hang on. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Haha. That rope bridge is kind of cool. Yeah, the tunnel.
So, did I get all the dinos?
Yeah, I think you did.
I think there was a triceratops, ain't there?
Oh, no, there was the woolly mammoth down here.
Well, yeah.
But I don't know. I didn't see a triceratops actually. There's a I love minigolf.com back there. It was kind of cool. Did we miss anything?
I don't think so.
That's it?
Oh, there's a tiki guy.
There's a tiki guy.
Hey, watch your steps.
Yeah. I kind of.
One at a time. I got you.
I don't like it. But there's some stuff over there that I may or may not have missed. I don't know. Here, let's go over here. We got some time. We got some time to come over this way. I think we did. I think we covered this whole area. But just to make sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's put it to a vote. Who thinks this is safe? Comment down below if you think this is safe. All right, cool. Yeah, no. Yeah, you go ahead and cross that. No, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it, guys.
There you go, man.
No, hell no. I don't believe it.
I did it.
No, hell no.
Get over here.
I don't know. You jumped.
Hey, Go ahead. Watch your feet.
You jumped over, but I wasn't gonna do it. I wasn't gonna do it. There's the elephant, guys.
Walk that, do it. Don't. Yeah, don't.
Well, I have no balance, so. Okay, guys, so that is our explores for the moment. Thank you guys so much for joining us on our explorations. And, oh shit. So I gotta go. And I'll see you guys in the next video.